Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and I owe you guys a really long overdue apology. So if you notice or didn't notice, I haven't been able to upload my regular videos and reviews, and I'm really sorry guys. I don't want to promise anything, but if there's one thing for sure, I am not quitting YouTube. So hopefully you guys continue to support me, and yeah. So this is actually a video I recorded a few months back. Just now having the time to edit and upload this, and hopefully you guys enjoy, and see you soon.
Tell me one good reason why I should try continuing to fight it.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So yeah, so this is kind of a special video since it's my first time receiving a product or something from a company from another country. So this is actually from Singapore, and if you guys prefer this type of unboxing videos, this type of format wherein you're just seeing my hands unbox the product, leave a feedback, leave a comment, and yeah, let's get on with these. If I'm not mistaken, this is from a company called EasySMX. So they're a fairly new company who makes gaming peripherals, and they actually contacted me a few months ago, and it just arrived this week. So I'm not sure how to do this, but yeah. Okay, so it does look like a peripheral or something like that. Yeah, EasySMX, right? A bit the box is a bit, yeah, it's a bit damaged, but yeah, let's unbox it. So I'm not sure what this is in particular. In the package it only says game handle, like, yeah. So if my guess is correct, this is, I think, a gamepad. Yeah, oh yes. So there we go. So it's a wired, oh wait, I'm not sure, but good sign, it's USB Type-C, so that's a good start. So this seems to be, I think, a wireless. Okay, so it's a wireless controller. Why not focusing? Okay, so it doesn't say anything about the model, but it has a model code right here, I think. So it's the ESM-9101. Feels solid for the most part, looks solid, and yeah, I'm gonna make a review of this once I get to use it. Actually kind of nice, feels nice. You have the rib texture here on the handles, and it's in the Xbox controller layout. So yeah, which most people are used to, I guess, if you're a PC gamer or yeah, Xbox gamer, of course. So on the side of the box, that's what it says. User manual that I'm probably not gonna read anytime soon. Okay. Sign up to get $10 voucher. Very nice. So I did not purchase this, but yeah. Anyway, so I'm wondering if this has actually some kind of, okay, I see something inside, a receiver, since this is a wireless controller. Okay, so this is the receiver. I'm assuming this is a 2.4 gigahertz wireless receiver, and yeah, I'm kind of flattered and humbled at the same time, something along those lines, that I receive or even get notice from a company from another country. So that's nice, and yeah, I'm just thankful. Thank you to EasySMX for sending this. I'm gonna be making a review of this as soon as I can. So yeah, again, there's no specific model for this gamepad. It just says game controller on the box, and yeah, nothing on the other side of the box. And yeah, hopefully you guys somehow enjoy this. Again, comment down below if you prefer this type of unboxing video, this type of format, and yeah, leave a like if you did, dislike if you feel like you have to. Consider subscribing if you're new to the channel. And if you guys want to check out EasySMX, I'll leave the links, different links in the description if you want to reach them or test out their products. And yeah, use my Lazada affiliate link if you're buying at Lazada. Donate through PayPal to support the channel, and follow me on Twitter for updates and announcements. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.